Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Shaggy honored with the Male Icon of the Year award. The multi-platinum Grammy-winning reggae artist was this year's recipient of the Male Icon award. Shaggy, who was absent due to his engagement in Vegas, was celebrated during the ceremony on Monday held in Kingston. Shaggy shared his sentiments via video message.
Much love and respect. Give thanks to Jaria. Much love. Thanks to all my fans out there, for everyone for supporting us. And I'd just like to say sorry I couldn't be there, but I'm currently in Vegas here doing some rehearsal with my brother's team and getting some things going. But
Marcia Griffiths, who is celebrating 59 years in the business, was crowned the Queen of Reggae. During her acceptance speech, she spoke to her struggles and how she feels chosen.
The journey that I've seen since 1964, you have to be chosen to last this long in a male-dominated business. Yes. I've seen it all. Even the very first morning I walked on stage with Byron Lee, I don't even know how I arrived at this point and time, because as a young girl, it was like a sabotage for me, so if I was really, someone who was easily turned off, I would not be here today.
Some of the other iconic honorees were Don Penn and Horace Andy, and a special award to Billboard in the new media category for its extraordinary impact on the reggae industry. The evening also saw 2023 Grammy-winning reggae singer Kabaka Pyramid taking home the Reggae Album of the Year award. For the Dancehall category, the award went to Sean Paul with Scorcher. Gospel Album of the Year was Freedom by Wayne Studdard. Song of the Year went to Rasai for his song Somewhere Wonderful, and Breakout Artist of the Year went to Fast Rising Star Valiant. Grammy extends eligibility period in response to concerns from music community. In a statement to its members, Harvey Mason Jr., the Academy's CEO, stated that after listening to concerns from some members of the music community, they have decided to amend the end date of the previously announced eligibility period, adding that the eligibility deadline for the 66th Grammy Awards will be extended by 2 weeks to Friday, September 15 this year. This is the second time the Academy is making a change to the date. In March, it was announced that the period would be 1 month shorter than that of the previous year, ending in August. Mason, in his statement, explained that the initial shift to an earlier date was made in an attempt to benefit the awards process, granting them flexibility throughout the Grammy season. I'm Daedra reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.